videos are for educational purposes only.
See, I need you in my life.
First, we're going to size our nails so they fit perfectly.
I know you'll stay. No, 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 don't go away. Hey, oh, you got
Using your nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips.
dealing with the pain that it did on my neck. We go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slayed back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style.
Hey Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now grab an alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style.
Work. It's nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me.
Now apply a thin layer of foil transfer.
All in your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. We are going to be using nail foils for our simple nail art design.
work. You see me have you work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to
Hey Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
that you see the truth.
This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
Nobody touch me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work to me have you.
This is going to be the second affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Apply a second layer of gel polish.
Before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that.
Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat.
What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. It's me, I feel work. It's me, do me, tell me about that.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Now, we are going to be using rhinestones for our simple nail art design.
Too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me off, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
It's me, I feel work. It's me, do me, tell me about that. Nobody touch me in the right. Nobody touch me in the.
The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
In a crisis. Nobody touch me in the right. Nobody touch me in a crisis. Work. You see me have you work. You see me do me dirty. make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams like duration. You took my heart, I'ma give to my patience. You took my heart, I'ma sleep at decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work it to me, I'll be work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me
At home, saving money with my self-care nail day. And now, I'm finished with my simple and easy nail art design.
Don't you leave, don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never know.
Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.
Baby, won't mean anything. All the riches, baby, don't bring what your love can bring. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. Don't need no other, baby. Your loving is better than gold, and I know. If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. See, I'd have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl, don't make it test me, invest me. My cash flow would never ever end. 'Cause I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl.
Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what? What? Come together.
Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary, nails. Intend to learn DIY, how-to, making money online, all in one video.
Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody touched me